Hello my dolly dearies and welcome to another video. So today it's just a quick 2-minute video because I got a doll from the very talented and lovely Cherry Doughnuts. She is an artist who makes super cute and amazing dolls, and as soon as I found out she was open for commissions, I absolutely had to get one. So this is a real quick unboxing of the doll which I got from her. I made the outfit and wig myself. And the doll was inspired by a little pin which I got as a birthday present. But honestly, the doll is absolutely amazing, and you guys should definitely go check her out on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, pretty short video, literally just saying hi and bye. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys all in the next video. Bye!